Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the trigonometric proof which I have written on the whiteboard. We need to prove left hand side equals to right hand side. Let's take left hand side and prove that is equals to the right hand side, which is 2 times of cosecant A. So the left hand side is sin A divided by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A divided by a sin A. Or take LCM and simplify this. We'll get sin A into sin A plus 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A whole divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. So now simplify. Sin A into sin A becomes sin square A. Sin square A plus, if you FOIL the terms, we will get 1 plus cos A plus cos A plus cos square A whole divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. So we have sin square A plus cos square A, so write down that separately. So sin square A plus cos square A, and we have 1 plus cos A plus cos A becomes 2 cos A whole divided by the denominator term as it is, which is 1 plus cos A into sin A. Now we know that the sin square A plus cos square A can be written as 1. So 1 plus 2 cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. So 1 plus 1 will becomes 2. So 2 plus 2 cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. And in the numerator we have 2 as a common factor, so take out 2. So if you take out 2, we'll get 1 plus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into sin A. So 1 plus cos A and 1 plus cos A cancels out, and we have 2 divided by sin A. So 1 by sin A can be written as cosecant A. So we'll get 2 times of cosecant A, which is the right hand side. So we prove left hand side equals to right hand side. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.